Pull the Y-axis beam of S1 to the position shown in the video, and fix the laser to the laser backplane. Remove the Y-axis beam limit switch. Dismantle drag chain. Use a 2.5 mm hexagonal wrench to remove the 6 fixing screws on the back and bottom of the Y-axis beam. Flip up the Y-axis beam backing plate and remove it. Mark the terminal wires and remove the terminal wires between the beam backplate and the main board. Remove the rolled strip. Remove the laser cable. Remove the back panel air pipe and connecting wire. Remove the fixing screws of the drag chain and take out the drag chain. Removal of drag chain and air tube fixing belt. Remove the moving part of the drag chain, keep the drag chain head, and be careful not to damage the drag chain head. Remove the trachea and pull out the laser cable. Take out the new drag chain. Find the knot at the position mark on one end and untie the knot at the position mark. Removing the chain head of a new chain. Pass the wire of the removed drag chain head through the slider hole. Pay attention to the passing position. If it cannot be passed through, you can use pliers. Be careful not to damage the terminal. Pass the knotted part of the connecting wire through the slider hole, and the connecting wire should extend about 170 millimeters. Connect the moving part of the drag chain to the drag chain head on the slider. Use rolled tape to tighten the air pipe and the drag chain. Pay attention to the position in the video. Bending the rolled tape can help to better insert it into the correct position. The two rolling strips to be used are locked side by side, with the rolling strip heads facing upward to avoid interference during movement. Insert the drag chain and the air pipe into the cable duct at the same time. Use 2 rolling belts to fix the drag chain and the air pipe. Adjust the position and pay attention to the rolling belt head facing outward to avoid interference during movement. Tighten the fixing screws of the drag chain, preferably by hand, to prevent the teeth from slipping. Test whether the slider slides normally. Plug the backplane terminals into the main board. Insert the laser connection line and tie the tape. Insert the air pipe into the back panel interface. Install the back panel to the crossbeam. Check the upper and lower gaps before tightening. Make sure that no wires are clamped before tightening the back panel. Be careful not to clamp the wires. Install the back panel fixing screws. Install limit switch. Installing the laser back.